Hello, I bought a new piece of travel luggage, a new suitcase, and today I'm going to show you how to set the TSA lock on this suitcase. So here's a close-up of the TSA lock that's on the top of this suitcase. Now before you can reset the lock combination for this lock, it must be set on the current locking combination. In this case it's 000, and you can test that by sliding that little lock sliding device along, and you can see it slides. Now to reset the lock combo and set it on a new number, you just press that little reset button and spin your barrels around until you select your new number. And in this case I have 808, which is the number I'm using, and to select that number I slide that locking device along, the reset button pops out, and now the combination for this lock is now 808. So to test the new combination then, I'm going to push in those little lock strikers that are attached to the zippers, slide around the barrels to select the new number, and you can see that the lock slider now doesn't work or doesn't open the lock. And so I'm going to go back around now and select the current combination, which is the 808. There we go. Slide the little lock sliding device and the zipper lock strikers pop out, and that shows that the lock has now been set to this new combination. Okay, well I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.